All right, bring it out, heat it downward so it doesn't drain on your hand. Yeah. So I'm gonna light it on fire, then you eat the flame, okay?
Eat the flame.
Yeah, so when I say go, go, okay?
Okay.
Go. Go, it's on fire.
It didn't look like it was.
But it was on, right?
Trust me.
It was on fire,
Okay,
right?
I didn't see it. Okay.
Yeah, did you feel it?
I felt it. I did.
Get in there.
Okay.
Right.
And now?
Right, get the piece of pineapple, put it in the sugar. Get a lot of sugar. Sugar is your best friend right now.
Sugar is my best friend. Okay.
Suck the sugar off, leave the sugar on your tongue, take a shot. The whole little shot. Eat the pineapple. Welcome to the family. You're a Marubian.
That is good. That is
Yes.
good stuff. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I need a napkin now, but wait.
You get the sign.
Where?
Anywhere you like, any post. Hey guys, welcome back.
Marcus and Tami, baby.
Yep. You recording me?
I am.